Hey guys, my name is Nick and I'm a photographer here in Hawaii. Tonight we're going to be doing some night photography with the Lume Cube 2 in its low light mode. So here we go. Alright, so what we have behind me is this beautiful Jeep with tent. I have a few friends that are also enjoying to grill. That's what we're going to be shooting tonight. So what we're going to do is place these Lume Cube 2s around the area to produce the best image. The problem with most of these lights is that they don't have a low light mode. The reason you need that is because when you're shooting something like night photography, you can really blow out an image. Something like that, it doesn't look too good. So we're in the tent on top of the Jeep. Here's the Lume Cube 2. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. To put it into low light mode, you're going to go ahead and hold these two buttons on the top, the plus and minus, for just a few seconds. And bang, there it is. So in low light mode, it has, I believe, 10 settings. For this shoot right now, we're going to just probably leave it around half like this. I'm going to go ahead and put this light right here in the middle of the tent. After a few adjustments, this is how the image turned out. Thanks for watching, guys. Looking forward to seeing what you guys can create.